Hi, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 Nike edition, and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the applications on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our Apple Watch. To do it, you can either tap on the screen or press the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. And as you can see here, we have the list of apps. To uninstall the apps from your watch, simply press and hold on one of the icons to enter this menu. Now scroll down and tap on Edit Apps. You should enter the editing mode, and as you can see, some of the icons have this X button on them. That means you can remove them from your watch. To do it, simply tap on the X button, tap on Delete the app, and the app will be removed from your watch, uninstalled. And once you're done, press the Crown button to close the editing mode, like this. You can also remove the apps through your iPhone. So if you have some apps on your iPhone and on your watch, for example, as you can see, I have Notebook right here. You can press and hold on the icon of the app you want to remove, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, and then delete. And after you delete your app, this app from your iPhone, it should also get deleted from your watch, like this. And that's how you uninstall the apps on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.